So here's the residential section of the Waterloo Regional Landfill. So these guys are running around here to prevent any customers coming in who might have just yard waste to throw out from this time of year, cleaning up in the spring. They're coming in here, they're going to back in on the gravel or onto the dirt there, and they don't want to get any flat tires just from visiting the dump to throw out their stuff. So the section behind us here is a area where they get rid of old pallets. And if you know anything about pallets, is they always break and they always leave nails all over the place. So customers have free reign to drive over this and then get a flat tire on their vehicle and not notice till they get home and then call and complain. So that's why these guys get out here and clean it up using the Blue Streak magnet. We just went and saw one of their old magnets, and it's a trailer unit from one of our competitors, and they had a number of issues with it, including it had no useful way to adjust the height. It was too difficult to clean off. It constantly got flat tires due to the small little wheels that aren't very heavy duty. And it was just generally too low to roam around and go up to the top of the yard where we just were. So because of that, they picked this thing. It's a lot easier to clean off, safer on the back, safer on the hands. You don't have to, less dangerous, you won't pinch your fingers. So this thing's just an easier option and way easier to operate. You don't have to know how to back up a trailer. You just drive it around, and it protects the tires on the vehicle just as well while you drive. So these guys run this thing about once a week just to keep some maintenance going on the areas and keep their customers safe as well as their own vehicles. Now in the top section where we just were, it's mostly heavy trucks and heavy machinery going up there, so you're less likely to get a flat tire than on a light duty truck like your normal pickups. But down here is where residential customers and contractors come in with their trucks, and nails and small debris like that are more than enough to give a flat tire to a regular pickup. So that's why these guys are out here cleaning it up, keeping it safe. And this thing is a big improvement over the previous magnet they used to use. Over here is the pallet storage section, and the other side is like shingles and drywall and that sort of thing. So you're going to get all kinds of screws and nails and holding the pallets together in the drywall. So we're going to clean off the magnet and then run into this section with the pallets and the drywall and see what's just in there on one pass. So you just dump the magnet off, and we're going to go through this section with all the pallets because obviously pallets break and you get nails all over the place. So we're going to run through here just on one pass and see what we can collect. You can hear it clicking up to the magnet already, so we should have something. Looks like you set a little high though. So even with the magnet set it looks like almost 5 inches off the ground. It's picking up that little piece of wood with some nails sticking out of it. That's a flat tire waiting to happen because it's got a nice flat base for you to run over, and then the nails sticking straight up.
Now it's not that seems like it would shake off in there.
It might.
But I'm glad it picked that up.
Yeah.
Is that a plant that you guys put it there?
No, that was already there.
Boston?
What's that?
You didn't put it there?
No.
No, that's good that picked that up.
So this thing, they said, is a lot easier to clean off versus their older one because you're pushing down instead of lifting up really low to the ground. And there's a little safety latch there to make sure you don't get this thing in the forehead on the way out.
You got nails?
But yeah, if you back up a little bit, we'll see what he got. There's just a little pile of nails. That big board there looks like the one that's going to give you a flat though.
Right?
It's sticking straight up.